everyone, I'm just going to share with you another journal that I've made, and if you watched yesterday's video, I'd made 2 autumn themed journals, and I said that I had prepared another journal for today, which is this big chunky one. It's a hardcover. It's using ARTYmaze's Autumn Splendour and a touch of autumn, and I will link both of them below. I've also used little bits of ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and yeah, I think it might just be Tsunami Rose. So that will be linked below as well. The journal, like I said, is hardcover, got a fabric spine, got some crocheted trim. This is some of the paper from Digi Kits, and I've obviously used that to cover. Got some crocheted trim on the back. 3 signatures. It measures 7 3/4 by 5 1/4, and it has a 2 1/4 inch spine. There are 216 pages front and back. This will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested. And I've actually, whilst I was making this, I've printed out another kit to do another one, because actually really enjoying making these at the moment. It'll probably be very similar to this. So let's go inside. Just making sure I'm in frame because this is quite a big journal. Yes, so this is one of the background papers with the lines on it from the A Touch of Autumn from ARTYmaze. This is Autumn Splendour. Here I have made a pocket. I'm not sure whether I've done this on video or not the other day. I could be wrong. I made a bunch of videos called Let's Make, I think it's called. I've got that playlist down below if you want to go over and see how I've made some of these pockets and tuck spots. So I've made this. That flips up, it flips down. We have a little pocket there with 2 little journaling cards. And just so you know, I've got a lot going on over the next couple of days, but I might get around to doing a few more let's make videos. I've got a few things up my sleeve to try and to share with you, so there will be some of them. So sorry, that tag is from ARTYmaze as well. The ephemera was from Tsunami Rose, and the tag is just coffee dyed and stamped and inked up around the edges. We have a doily and a paper bag. This is Edith Holden. I've just put on some cardstock tabs. There is various papers and some stamping and stenciling throughout. Lots and lots of journaling room. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip up, and I've got Rita's video linked below as well if you want to go over and see how she does hers. We have a large tag. This is from Tsunami Rose, and this is just a little double journaling card, and that's a tag from the kit as well. We have another doily and a paper bag, Stampin' Up tab. Here I just made a belly band. This was actually left over from one of the journals I made yesterday or the day before, because I think I've made 3 autumn themed ones now. So I just used that, put it onto some cardstock and inked up around the edges just to make a belly band. We have this journaling card here, that's from Tsunami Rose, and this tag which just pops in like so. All the papers are either tea or coffee dyed, because I always do a mixture of both. Got an envelope here from the kit. That is from the Autumn Splendour kit. And just some ephemera, which is from the old design shop. Another tab, some more Edith Holden, paper bag, a doily, just a little flip up. And this is a pocket, so you can tuck something into the pocket. That one doesn't fold down, because I was going to do my triple pocket, but I made the little envelopes, I made them too big. So there's one here and then there's 2 together. I think it's on the back page. We've got a journaling card, and I've just stamped this leaf onto it. We have a postcard, that's a freebie from ARTYmaze, and another double journaling card. Again, that is ARTYmaze's A Touch of Autumn. Here we just have a Rita, no it's not a Rita, it's a Terri Woods flip page, and Terri is linked below if you want to go over and have a look at all her little pockets that she's made just using plain coffee dyed paper, or you could use any paper really, but she shows you how to do this with like plain coffee dyed paper. I've got a doily, and then this is just one of the little stamps that ARTYmaze has on her kit. We have a tag, a coffee dyed and stencil tag, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and oh, I'm kind of so excited because I got Daisy, who is Tsunami Rose, has got loads of Christmas stuff out, and she sent me some, and I cannot wait to start making Christmas journals. I'm just feeling it's a little bit too early, but you know, I guess you're never too early for Christmas, are you? I know some people that have actually done all their Christmas shopping already. This is another postcard, and that is on a flip up, flip down, obviously pocket behind. Just used some scraps from the kit that I'd used in the days previous, and just done some layering and then put a circle on there. Some ephemera here. Yeah, so tell me, comment below, is it too early to start Christmas journals and embellishments and things like that? I know actually Daisy has actually started some. She shared some on the Junk Journal Junkies chat group last night, and she's done some lovely things with her Christmas embellishments. Lots and lots of writing space. Here we have this is a tags, but I kept them as just a little trifold, so you could do lots of journaling on them. Another piece of ephemera from the old design shop. Here we go, and that just pops on there. You could separate them if you wanted to. You don't have to keep them as the tri-fold. Doily. Here is another Terri Woods flip down, fold out, double pocket page. It's a mouthful, isn't it? So it folds all in like that. And we have another tag. We have some ephemera. And then we have a little booklet, and that's just from one of the journaling pieces from ARTYmaze. And third signature. Love the colours in this one. They are proper autumn colours. We've got another Rita Donnelly flip, and I've just put a little banner on there. And we have a tag. Whoops, a postcard. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze. Tag here, and another tag there. A doily. Yeah, I've run out of doilies. I had to order some yesterday, so they should be here by Friday. And then I'll have to coffee dye them all, or tea dye them. I thought I had some, but because whoops, there's a little bit glued together there. Because I do them like in bulk, and I think I get like 250 when I buy them. I thought I still had a little bit left, but I obviously didn't. Little flip out there, and obviously it's a pocket. Got a journaling card from Tsunami Rose. This is just another flip down. This is a Climmy Creations idea. Climmy is also linked down below. The reason I have certain people linked down below permanently is because I get asked these questions permanently. So if I say it in the video, it's because all you got to do is look down below. You'll see everything that I've listed and linked, and you know where to go. Otherwise I'd spend all my time just sending links to people separately. It kind of takes up some time. Here we just have a pocket, just stenciled here. You could tuck something in there if you like, and then you've got the pockets here. Some of the paper from the kit, a little stamp from the kit. We have another Tsunami Rose journaling card, and I used them because I thought the colours were quite apt. Tag, another tag from the kit. So like I said, this is 2 kits that I've used from ARTYmaze, both her autumn themed ones, Autumn Splendour and a touch of autumn. So, and that's an envelope there. Nothing in the envelope because this was getting rather chunky. You know, and if you want to use this, you've got to kind of, if you want to start adding stuff to it, then you know you have to leave less bulk out. Yeah, this is where I wanted to do my triple page, but like I said, the envelopes were too deep, so I couldn't do it. So behind here we have another one of these tags, and then we've got a doily on that flap there with a circle piece from Autumn Splendour, a touch of autumn, and then inside there we have a little booklet. Well, actually, there's a pocket here. Then there's you can put things behind that envelope, and when you put that envelope up, you've got that little pocket there as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little tucks on there. So that's pretty good. And finally the last page, and that is the journal, and as you can see, it is chunky, but it does, well, I can't really show you, but it does sit kind of flat. It's only a little bit gape and opened, but you can take things out if you wanted to, and you do lots of writing. So anyway, all the links will be below. This will be listed in my shop, and if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.